I just found a way to turn a simple shower into an instant morning mood lifter. No gadgets required. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. When I discovered this Morning Glow Shower Diffuser recipe, I had to test it out. Imagine starting your day with the bright scent of mandarin and the cozy depth of coffee essential oil. Pure, natural, and totally DIY. Most bathroom air fresheners rely on synthetic chemicals. This one just steam and a lava rock, and essential oils, of course. Let's make it. Tie the string securely around the lava rock, leaving enough length to hang it from your shower head or curtain rod. Add 2 drops of Mandarin Essential Oil. This is uplifting and is mood boosting. Add 1 drop of Coffee Essential Oil. This is grounding and comforting. Hang the lava rock near your shower head, but not directly under the water, but where it will catch gentle steam. That's it. As you shower, the steam naturally diffuses the scent for an energizing start to your day. And here's a tip. You can use any of your favorite essential oils on this diffuser. You can swap scents depending on your mood or the season. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Morning Glow Shower Diffuser yourself, it's pretty easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with everything you need to create natural, non-toxic home aromas at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. Find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. I really love using this scent combination because the coffee reminds me of a coffee shop, and the mandarin, it just really wakes me up in the mornings. If this works for me, it'll work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creations with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.